Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered what makes up your body? I mean makes up your body, like the teeny tiniest parts. We're talking about cells. They're so small you need a microscope to see them, but don't let their size fool you. Cells are the building blocks of all living things, from a tiny ant to a giant elephant, and even you and me. To understand cells and how they work, we need to dive into a fascinating field called histology. Histology is the study of tissues, which are groups of similar cells working together. Think of it like this. If cells are the bricks, tissues are the walls. Histology helps us understand how cells are organized into tissues and how these tissues form the organs in our body. It's like having a map to the human body at a microscopic level. Just like a house needs walls, a roof, and windows, cells have different parts that work together. These parts are called organelles. Let's take a tour of a typical cell, shall we? First, we have the cell membrane. This is like the cell's outer skin. It surrounds the cell and controls what goes in and out. Inside the cell, we find the cytoplasm. It's a jelly-like substance that holds all the other organelles. And finally, there's the nucleus, the cell's control center. Imagine the cell membrane as a security guard, carefully checking everyone who wants to enter or leave the cell. This membrane is made up of fats and proteins. It's selectively permeable, which means it allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. This selectivity is crucial for the cell's survival. It allows the cell to take in nutrients, get rid of waste, and maintain a stable internal environment. Pretty neat, huh? Now, let's step inside the cell and explore the bustling cytoplasm. This is where the action happens. The cytoplasm is a busy place, filled with various organelles, each with its own important job. Think of the cytoplasm as a city. Mitochondria are like power plants, providing energy for the cell. Ribosomes are like factories, assembling proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum is like a network of roads and highways, transporting materials throughout the cell. At the heart of the cell lies the nucleus, the control center of all cell activities. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, DNA, which carries the instructions for building and running the cell. Imagine the DNA as a giant instruction manual. It tells the cell what kind of cell to be, what proteins to make, and how to function. The nucleus is like the library where this precious manual is stored and protected. Just like people have different jobs, cells in our bodies are specialized to perform specific functions. Muscle cells contract and relax, allowing us to move. Nerve cells transmit signals throughout the body, letting us feel and react to our surroundings. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body, while white blood cells fight off infections. Each cell type has a unique shape and structure that allows it to perform its job effectively. Now that we've explored the amazing world of cells, let's zoom out a bit and see how histology helps us understand them better. By studying tissues under a microscope, histologists can identify different cell types, their arrangement, and any abnormalities. Histology plays a crucial role in diagnosing diseases. For example, by examining a biopsy of a suspicious mole, a pathologist can determine if it's cancerous based on the appearance of the cells. Histology is not just about diagnosis. It also plays a vital role in research and drug development. Scientists use histology to study the effects of drugs on tissues, to understand how diseases progress, and to develop new treatments. For example, researchers studying Alzheimer's disease use histology to examine brain tissue and understand how the disease damages nerve cells. This knowledge can help develop new therapies to slow down or even prevent the disease. From the intricate structure of a single cell to the complex organization of tissues, histology opens up a whole new world for us to explore. Remember, the human body is an incredible machine, and understanding its tiniest components helps us appreciate its complexity and marvel at its wonders. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning about the amazing world of science.